Behind the line, yeah. Here, yeah. Which one? Which one?
You want to eat?
Which one? Which one?
Take.
1, 2, 3. Another pose. 1, 2, 3.
Full one.
1, 2, 3.
They also danger because they have the venom of the bacteria. To kill the big animals like the buffalo, so the dragon just one bite. Yeah, to kill the buffalo.
他吃不了人家的羊以后，你受不了他们的毒气。
Yeah.
Wow.
You hungry?
Oh my god. So big.
Almost like a crocodile.
Wow.
You just stay here.
is the reason?
Look, you first.
Us?
Don't pass the lane, yeah?
Okay. What if they run?
We run too.
What do we do if they run?
You can run good.
外国人就是
I just saw it.
Sampai tamunya dilupa. So this one young female.
How do you know?
Young female.
That's a boy.
Yeah, it's boy. So this one, so Komodo dragon before in the building.